Hi everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with Greta Wings. Today I'm here just to share with you an update for Yoshi. Yoshi is from our collection Mario Bros. If you wanna make this amigurumi completely, you can check in the description below. I will share the link with you. The link to the video tutorial step by step and the link to the right pattern. Yeah, the right pattern is available on our website, gretawings.com. Then let's start just some details that you will love. To make the moth, let's use white color yarn. It's the same yarn that we use for Yoshi. Then let's start on round 1 with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you can close the magic ring and put some mark if you think that is necessary. We will work in a spiral, and on round 2 let's make 6 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, then we already have the first increase. Just continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 stitches. On round 3, let's start with 1 single crochet and then 1 increase. Continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round, then we will finish this round with 18 stitches. On round 4, the repetitions will be 2 single crochet and 1 increase. The second single crochet, now 1 increase, and repeat the same all round, then we will finish with 24 stitches. And on round 5 and the last round, let's make 24 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch on the previous round. When you finish, just cut the thread, leaving enough to close using a wool needle. Then pay close attention and you can see how to close. For this piece, we don't need stuffing. It's not necessary. Let's use felt, red color felt, and just with your finger, you can cut it with the same form. And make sure when you put it on the white piece, I will leave free the round number 1 and 2. Okay? And let's make the union with the felt, and later you can cut it. To make the union with Yoshi, just use glue. If you want to sewing, you can also do that. The idea is make the union with the neck, between the neck and nose, and later with the cheeks. Then you need put the glue and support until it's cold and already have the union. You are secure about that. But if you want to sewing, you can use a sewing thread in white color and it looks good. This is some piece that I didn't made in the past when I'm designing this amigurumi, and now we will make another detail for the nose. You told me about that on the comment. Then let's do it using black color thread and between round on the top of round 5. Okay, with 5 stitches of separation. You need to select the best place for your amigurumi because everyone crochet different, okay? And I'm just use the same yarn on black color yarn and make this detail. And here is how the snow looks now. I hope this detail makes your Yoshi looks even cuter. Honestly, I already love him, but if we can make him better, why not? Then thank you so much for all your comments. Please believe me when I'm say they always help me ground in this world of amigurumi. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it and activate the bell because we will make another detail for another amigurumi from this collection Mario Bros amigurumi.